Iman Gadzi, embracing diversity and empowering others.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I grew up without a father. I'm an only child.
I'm about to turn multi-millionaire by the age of 21.
Give me a $150K watch, I just get my assistant to pick it up and just go put it in my vault.
Iman Gadzi, a rising star in the online world, has captured the hearts of thousands with her unique perspective and engaging content. Born and raised in London, UK, Iman's journey to becoming a successful YouTuber and influencer has been nothing short of inspiring.
Something about just sitting down and learning stuff that I had zero interest in, zero passion in. I just struggled and I just got more and more frustrated to the point where I couldn't take it anymore. And I'm happy to announce that today is the day where I have my last day at school. I'm officially the 17-year-old high school dropout. And I came to the decision after having an incredible 3 months, incredible 6 months, getting to a point where I have mentors who I trust and I've learned so much from.
Iman's story begins with her passion for creativity and the desire to make a positive impact. After completing her education in media studies, she decided to share her talents with the world through her YouTube channel, Iman's World. What started as a creative outlet soon gained traction and garnered a growing following of viewers who were captivated by her authenticity and relatable content. One of the defining aspects of Iman's channel is its emphasis on embracing diversity. Through her videos, she encourages her audience to celebrate their unique cultures, backgrounds, and experiences. She believes that by embracing diversity and understanding one another, we can build stronger and more inclusive communities. Iman's content covers a wide range of topics, ranging from fashion and beauty tutorials to travel vlogs and discussions on mental health. Her ability to connect with her viewers on a personal level has earned her a loyal and engaged audience. Beyond her video content, Iman is also known for her philanthropic efforts. She believes in using her platform to empower others and make a difference. From fundraising for charitable organizations to participating in community service projects, Iman actively seeks opportunities to give back. As her popularity continues to grow, Iman remains grounded and focused on her passion for making a positive impact. She recognizes the responsibility that comes with being an influencer and strives to be a role model for her audience. Her dedication to spreading positivity and embracing diversity has made her a respected figure within the online community. Iman Gadzi's story is a testament to the power of authenticity, hard work, and using one's platform for good. Through her YouTube channel and various endeavors, she continues to inspire others to embrace their unique voices, celebrate diversity, and make a positive difference in the world.